Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video all the way to the end, interact with all the media. I really appreciate it. Make sure you check out our blockchain friends. In fact, Intermeta is partnership with Unbound Earth, which is a project we're talking about today. Make sure you check out Intermeta. And in fact, I'll give you a little update on them in a bit. They have a lot of stuff going on. Their mint's going on right now. But let's talk about Unbound Earth real quick. Unbound Earth is doing their token drop tomorrow. So if you hold Unbound Earth, if you'd been following the channel, then you should have gotten into the first minting, which is sold out right now. We talked about that on the channel. But if you hold if you hold partials from the first mint, they're going to do a snapshot and a token drop for everybody that holds partials. If you don't hold partials, if you don't have any partials, you might want to go on the JPEG store, see if you can find one that you like and pick it up, and you can partake in that drop tomorrow. If you have partials, make sure that they're not listed on any of the stores. You don't want them listed. You want them in your wallet, or you'll miss that drop. Okay, so make sure that that your partials are in your wallet. Okay. They do have a couple other mints coming up in quarter 2, so you can keep your eye out for those. Here's the announcement that was released yesterday. So the announcement was just released, and not much of a notice, but it's going to happen tomorrow. Now, this is tomorrow at 4 o'clock my time. This is automatically being translated into my time. What you'll need to do is go on their Discord, go to the announcement channel, and check out this post, and it should be translated into your time. So 4 o'clock tomorrow my time is when the drop is going to happen. I'll put a link to their Discord in this video so that you can reach their Discord and come on here and look at this. And also there's a link to their Discord in my Discord as well, so you can get there that way if you're part of our Discord. And so what's going to happen is the tokens, there's going to be this is going to be the first snapshot, right? So it's going to be 30% of the total tokens minted are going to be released to property owners, to the plot owners right now. That's going to be 39,000 tokens. 15% of the tokens at this point, which is 12,753 tokens, right? It's going to be 12,753 tokens per plot, excuse me. So for every piece of Unbounded Earth that you own and that's in your wallet, make sure it's in your wallet, you're going to get 12,753 tokens dropped for each piece. Okay. The next snapshot, obviously, they're going to be after this is just for the people that hold the first minting. Next snapshot will be 31,000. That'll be 10,000 tokens per plot, and then 5,000 tokens per plot. So this is going to be the largest drop there is. Some of the use case for the tokens is going to be used as an in-game currency, rewards for doing different things inside the metaverse, kind of like you would earn a token for playing a game. Although there's going to be lots of stuff going on the internet, the internet, the metaverse. I've seen a lot of great ideas in their Discord channel. So another way to pick up some of their tokens and stuff is probably, depending on what the drops are, just to give you an update on Intermeta. Another way to pick up some of their tokens is to hold a vault card, possibly. Now, Intermeta just created a new partnership with Unbounded Earth. They also have a partnership with Cardano, so they're creating some great partnerships. Two of the up-and-coming metaverses on the Cardano blockchain, and they're minting their vault cards right now. So in fact, they have like a 101 vault card, transcendent card, gives you all these perks and stuff, but like one person is going to get it, so maybe somebody will mint that today. Their minting was paused for a bit, but I believe it's back open now, so if you want to start minting again, the public mint is open. Okay. So the public mint is open, and these are the four different quality of cards. Obviously, they only have one of these transcendent cards, but the cards are going to kind of give you, you know, the the wallet is going to be the heart of Web3, right? This is how you're going to interact with all of the any kind of time you interact with the anytime you interact with the blockchain, you're going to interact with a wallet, right? So um, initially, Intermeta is going to release their their wallet. They're seeking to make an interoperability where you can transfer um, assets from one metaverse to another. They're going to have you're going to have early access. Their vault cards that are minting right now. You'll have early access to their platform. You're going to have some token drops and starter packs, things of that nature. So it's kind of some goodies there, and we can kind of guess. We don't know, but we can kind of guess maybe what some of those drops are by the partnerships they're making. So anyway, just to recap, Unbounded Earth is going to do their snapshot tomorrow. So make sure you're prepared for it. You don't want to miss out on that. All right. Okay. I hope this information was useful to you. And y'all are beautiful. I will see you next time.